Herbal tea isn't really made from tea, which is a specific kind of plant. Herbal tea is really just an infusion of leaves, seeds, roots or bark, extracted in hot water, from soothing a troubled tummy to easing insomnia and calming a troubled mind. Herbs have all sorts of healing powers. Drinking herbal tea can also be a great source of vitamins and minerals. Halifax naturopath Colin Husker recommends drinking peppermint tea to relieve the symptoms of abdominal gas and bloating, and to relieve muscle spasms. It's also good for nausea, without vomiting, and for heating up the body and making it sweat. Another great digestive aid, ginger, can be used to curb nausea, vomiting or upset stomach due to motion sickness. Make fresh ginger tea by simmering a piece of ginger root on the stove for 10 to 15 minutes. Add fresh lemon juice and honey when you have a cold for a powerful germ-fighting combination. If you're drinking tea for the medicinal benefits, then definitely steer clear of products that add things like essential oils or flavors.
If you like my videos, give it thumbs up and share with your friends.